Alright, hello. Rebecca here on Friday. I wasn't gonna upload a video today, however, I came back from my sabbatical a day early, so I am uploading a video. Late, but I am uploading it. So I'm going to start off with the questions. I'm going to start off with the one that I thought I answered, but I guess I didn't answer last week. And I heard Justin this week answering it. So it's what do I like most about myself and what do I not like most about myself? I would have to say what I like most about myself is just who I am, the kind of person that I am. I'm a genuinely kind, fair, for the most part, honest person. I can't talk today. Person, and I'm naive. I tend to believe that most people in the world are like me, honest and caring and understanding and loving. So, but that's what I like most about me. That's also my biggest fault. So. What I don't like most about myself is that I tend to believe what people say. I not if it's a rumor or something, not like that, but in general, I tend to believe that what they're telling me is the truth. So I guess I could be naive. I don't like the fact that I'm naive and trusting, because I trust what they say is the truth, and it comes to be that most people don't really tell the truth. So that's that. Justin's question was, what kind of donut do we like? I think that was one of your questions. Glazed from Krispy Kreme, and it has to be warm. I like that. And on July 4th, I hung out with a friend, and we watched fireworks and got my new webcam to work. And the movie, if I was on TV playing a movie character, I would probably want to play myself, because I'm a very eccentric kind of person, and I'm pretty, so. You're so vain. You probably think this YouTube's about you. You're so vain. But, yeah, I like who I am, and I would want to play me, because I'm kind of like crazy, kooky in an interesting sort of way, and I'm pretty, I got a good body. I like, when I look in the mirror, I like what I see. When I go inside my head, I like what I think, for the most part. So I like the kind of person that I am. I think I was blessed to be intelligent as well as good looking. I'm sure not to most people, I'm good looking, but to some people I am. And Brittany, baby, Brittany, it's Brittany, baby. I love saying that. I like that you like that I say that. It's my little thing for you. 3 facts about myself, and one of them has to be a lie. Okay, 3 facts about myself. First off, I don't smoke cigarettes. No, I'm only kidding. That's not one of them. That was pretty funny, though. I have had about, I would say, 7 to 10 different hair colors in my lifetime. That's one fact about me. The second fact about me is that I enjoy sex. I love sex. If I could have it like 24/7, I would. And the third fact about me is I really love shoes. Shoes are a fetish I have. Not really a fetish, but I love them. There's all sorts of shoes. I just bought a new pair of shoes while I was on vacation. Well, sabbatical. I love them. Look how cute they are. They're very pretty, and they are by Guess. So I love shoes. That is the other fact about myself. And that would be that. And Brittany, I think that your lie is the cooking thing. And Michael, sorry, can't answer your question. Didn't hear you, and I don't know how to read lips. But I think that you lied about opening for Josh Groban, because you're a very adventurous person, and I think that you would roam with goats and shake the hand of a gorilla. Your answers to the 3 facts about yourself was You really don't know how to bake. I'm just going to get straight to it. I think that you are not on Broadway because you have children and you have a husband, and I believe that you seem like the kind of person that could take very good care of them. A sabbatical was a very good one. I had to go on that sabbatical. I had to clear my head and get all these thoughts out of it and just stop thinking. And I'm glad I did because I feel so much better right now. And can I say a couple more times? I had a good sabbatical. Well needed. I go back to work Monday. I'm very glad that I'm back to normal because I was not normal for a while. Well, my vision of normal. This is my vision of normal. I am back to myself, and I'm very glad to be back to myself because I wasn't myself for a while, and I'm just glad to be myself now. I think that was funny. Okay, so everybody have a lovely, 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 lovely weekend, and I will talk to you guys again soon. I hope that, I hope that these hiccups go away. I hate having the hiccups because they bother me so much. But I hate when they start because once they start, they don't go away, and well, they go away eventually, but it takes a while for them to like go away, and I really don't like it. I want everybody to have a wonderful weekend. I think I've said that like about 10 times, so much love to you out there, and remember if nobody has told you that they love you today, I love you. And so do my hiccups. This is like a no-brainer question, okay? What is the if you have ever done drugs, what is the worst experience you have ever had on a drug?